Welcome to ToolsMet, your trusted source for honest tool reviews and smart workshop solutions. Today, we're taking a close look at the bandsaw machine, one of the most versatile and essential tools for woodworking and workshop projects. A bandsaw machine uses a long, continuous blade that moves around two wheels. This design allows smooth, controlled cutting with high accuracy. Unlike other saws, a bandsaw is perfect for both straight cuts and curved cuts, making it a favorite among woodworkers and furniture makers. One of the biggest advantages of a bandsaw machine is precision. Whether you're cutting thick hardwood, making detailed curves, or resawing lumber into thinner pieces, this machine delivers clean and consistent results. It also wastes less material compared to many other cutting tools. Most bandsaw machines come with a strong motor, adjustable cutting table, blade guides, and safety guards. The table can usually be tilted, allowing you to make angled cuts with ease. Different blade sizes let you switch between heavy-duty cutting and fine detail work. Safety is another key benefit. Because the blade only cuts downward into the material, bandsaws are generally safer than table saws when used correctly. Still, proper safety gear and steady handling are always recommended. In workshops, bandsaw machines are widely used for furniture making, cabinetry, DIY projects, and even light metal cutting with the right blade. From beginners to professional craftsmen, this tool adds speed, accuracy, and flexibility to any workspace. If you're looking for a reliable cutting solution that handles both straight and curved cuts effortlessly, a bandsaw machine is a smart investment. For more tool reviews, buying guides, and expert tips, stay connected with ToolsMet. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.